Hello guys, you're welcome to the 11th video in the Rust tutorial series. Now in this video we're going to be talking about variable freezing in Rust. Now what is variable freezing? Well, we have a good example from the last video where we were talking about shadowing in Rust. And now as you can see, this variable is immutable, so I'm going to make it mutable. So a is a mutable variable, which means it can be changed. Now what I'm going to do is say let a equals to a. So what am I doing here exactly? Well, basically what I'm doing here is I'm saying that this a is the original variable. Now I'm in another scope, so I want to shadow this variable at this point. Alright, now at this point, this is what it's called: a has been frozen, if I can spell correctly. Right, so a has been frozen here. And what do I mean by frozen? This means that I cannot say a equals 25, for example. This is not going to work. Alright, as you can see, there's an error. It says cannot assign twice to a mutable variable a. Now, why? Why do we have this error? A here, as you can see, is actually mutable. But the problem with this is because this original a variable has been frozen inside of this scope, because this variable here has taken its place. It has shadowed this original variable, and therefore this variable has been frozen. And that, so if you want to make this work, you're gonna have to take it out of the scope, and you're gonna have to see that now a can be changed appropriately. And now if you run the program again, you should get 10 and 25 as expected. And that should be all about freezing and all. And that'll be the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.